Welcome to Italia Conti Virtual. Please make sure you read the disclaimer before taking part. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for alerts on all new upcoming content. And have a good class.
Okay, let's take our Battement Tendu exercise, Amelie. So we're starting in 5th position, arm bras bar. Again, preparing the arm through 1st to 2nd, 5, 6, prepare 7, 8. We're going to peel the toes off the floor and take our coup de pied devant on 1 with a knee back. Petit développé devant 2, foot is just off the floor. Retract back 3, the knee back. Close 5th 4. 2 slow tendus devant in 2 counts, brushing through your foot and out. Close. Same to the side, peeling the toes, coup de pied devant. Low 2nd. Can we take coup de pied derrière, so get that heel behind. Close 5th, 2 tendus side, brushing through the foot and close. Derrière, coup de pied, peel the toes, thigh back, knee back, close 5th, tendu back, close, tendu back, close, and we're going to change legs. So we've done front, side, back, inside leg. We're going to do 8 with the accent in with a full port de bras, Amelie. So we go and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, finish 8. Transfer to the front foot, start the whole exercise from the back. Coup de pied, développé, coup de pied, and 5th, tendu back, coup de pied derrière, 2nd, devant, 5th, side, close, side, last time to the front, knee back, heel leads, knee back, close, tendu brush, shifting the weight as you close, inside leg, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Full 8 and down to bras bar. So that reverse, it's a full reverse port de bras at the end, Amelie. Have we got that? Good. Okay, Amelie, let's break down the technique for our Battement Tendu exercise. So we prepare the arm to 2nd. Now, every time you lift the foot, when we go to this coup de pied again, yes, I want you to imagine you're licking the floor with the ends of the toes. Can you show me that again? So we peel the toes, lovely, and the knee is back. Petit développé, you need to think of leading with your working heel. Yes, just off the floor. Then as you go back, think of leading back with your knee. So that lovely coup de pied just above the ankle bone there. Close 5th, heel forward, that's it. Then we're going to brush our 2 tendus, leading with the heel forward, retract the toes through the foot. That's lovely. So we really see you articulating the whole of the foot. Technically, we really broke it down, a slow Battement Tendu devant. You're leading with the working heel. You're almost passing through your 4th cross. Then you go through the middle of the foot, through the metatarsals, to the ends of the toes. Then on the way in, you reverse it, starting retracting through the toes and metatarsals, through the middle of the foot, through 4th, and into 5th. That's lovely. Can you take your 2 tendus, thinking about that process? They're out and in. Lovely. That's it, in. Then same to the side. Peel the toes. Low leg to 2nd. Coup de pied derrière. Now, some people get confused about this position. The coup de pied derrière, it's slightly more crossed than that. Your heel should be just underneath at the back of your calf there, the bottom of the calf. That's it. And to avoid sickles, because it's very easy to overstretch and end up sickling what I call banana foot in these coup de pied positions. That's it. You want to think of your heel forward, toes back. So we get that lovely line of the foot. Good. Close 5th. And then we do 2 tendus side. Again, brushing through the foot, front, through the foot derrière. To the back, we peel the toes to coup de pied derrière. That's it. Thigh back. Now, think of when you go back in from derrière, you want to think knee back, but lead in with your working heel. So we're maintaining, that's it. Because in ballet, it's not just about the end positions. It's also about how you get there, that process. So show me that last coup de pied derrière. We go derrière, extend to arabesque, knee back and heel in. Close 5th, tendu. So the process going derrière for our Battement Tendu, we lead with the toes through 4th, through the middle of the foot, metatarsals. As we come in, you lead with your heel through the metatarsals and into fifth. Good. And then make sure the two tendus, you've gone out, in, out. You've got to always think about anticipating, because the next thing that's coming up is the change of leg. That's it. So you want to shift your weight sooner rather than later. So I've gone 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, shift onto your back foot, 8, and then you're ready for the 8 with the inside leg. So again, the same process, even though the tendus are faster with the inside leg, we still want to articulate the whole foot and think of, especially Devon, going heel leads, toes back. Can you just show me a few tendus, Devon? Ja, da. So we're hitting a lovely tight fifth every time you close, especially with the inside leg. Timing of the arm. When you go and watch those big ballets like Swan Lake and you see the swans, they're all together. Those arms are so in unison. It's all about timing it properly. So the inside leg Devon, we've got 8 counts to do a full port de bras. And I've basically worked out, it's 2 counts for each position basically. So I'd go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do you see? And that perfectly times it. Then we have to try and coordinate it with the footwork. So shall we do the 8 with the inside leg and the full port de bras? Ready? 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. Got that? And then we reverse the whole thing. Shall we just check the last time the inside leg derriere? Again, we've shifted the weight sooner rather than later, ready to do the inside leg, and the arm is doing a full reverse. Same process, 2 counts for each position, Amelie. So check the arm, just do the arm with me. We go, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There we go, nicely together. Have we got that, Amelie? Great. And preparing the arm through first, peeling the toes off, extend, knee back, squeeze fifth, slow through the foot, retracting the toes into tight fifth, peel the toes, low second, could appear across it behind, fifth, slide through. Same to the back, peeling the toes, could appear derriere, extend, knee back, lovely, tendu out, heel leads in, and inside leg, 2, 3, fifth, 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 good, reverse, peel the toes, arabesque, knee back, squeeze fifth, slide through the foot derriere, out, that's it, coup de pied, low second, coup de pied devant, fifth, sliding through the feet, keep caressing the floor with the underneath foot, knee back, heel leads, knee back, ready for the transference of weight, now reverse, 2, squeeze 3, squeeze 4, keep the pelvis nice and still, that's it, and finish. Well done. Preparing the arm into coup de pied devant, petit dev, knee back, 2 tendus devant, out, good, through the foot, same to the side, coup de pied derrière, 2 tendus to the side and out, derrière, peeling the toes, coup de pied and arabesque, close fifth, 2 tendus derrière. Ready for the change of weight, inside leg, and 8, 2, 3, good, 4, up, 5, 6, good, reverse, coup de pied, derrière, coup de pied, 2 tendus derrière, out, heel leads in, caress, coup de pied, peel, coup de pied devant, 2 to the side, and slide. Last time devant, knee back, heel leads, knee back, squeeze tight fifth, caress the floor, going through the phrasing, out, that's it, inside leg, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good work. And preparing the arm through first, peeling the toes off, extend, knee back, squeeze fifth, slow through the foot, retracting the toes into tight fifth, peel the toes, low second, coup de pied, cross it behind, fifth, slide through. Same to the back, peeling the toes, coup de pied derrière, extend, knee back, lovely, tendu out, heel leads in, and inside leg, 2, 3, fifth, 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 good, reverse, peel the toes, arabesque, knee back, squeeze fifth, slide through the foot derrière, out, that's it, coup de pied, low second, coup de pied devant, fifth, sliding through the feet, keep caressing the floor with the underneath foot, knee back, heel leads, knee back, ready for the transference of weight, now reverse, 2, squeeze 3, squeeze 4, keep the pelvis nice and still, that's it, and finish. Well done. And preparing the arm into coup de pied devant, petit dev, knee back, 2 tendus devant, out, good, through the foot, same to the side, coup de pied derrière, 2 tendus to the side and out, derrière, peeling the toes, coup de pied and arabesque, close fifth, 2 tendus derrière, ready for the change of weight, inside leg, and 8, 2, 3, good, 4, up, 5, 6, good, reverse, coup de pied, derrière, coup de pied, 2 tendus derrière, out, heel leads in, caress, coup de pied, peel, coup de pied devant, 2 to the side, and slide. Last time devant, knee back, heel leads, knee back, squeeze tight fifth, caress the floor, going through the phrasing, out, that's it, inside leg, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good work.